Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about high-ticket affiliate marketing and whether or not you should get into it as an entrepreneur. Right off the bat, high-ticket affiliate marketing is something that ultimately, when you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and you're looking to promote products online, high-ticket affiliate marketing is something that a lot of people tend to debate over with. Some people think that it is, really worth going in because, the earning potential, while others see it as more of a risk. So typically when you are looking at some sort of high ticket affiliate program, and, most of them are out there are, they're ones that, they teach you how to, build a business online and, or, showing you ways of like how to make money online. Most of them I'd say are in like the business niche. And usually when you decide to promote one, you have to actually buy the products yourself first before you can go and resell them. In my personal opinion, I think regardless of what you're promoting online, you should always actually buy the products yourselves and actually, use them because, if you don't actually believe in what it is that you're promoting, it doesn't matter, what product it is. It doesn't matter how good it converts. If you don't actually believe in it yourself, I mean, that isn't very, genuine in my opinion. You have to be a product of the product, regardless of what it is you're promoting. And, the more passionate about what it is that you are promoting, then the better results that you will have in the long term, in the long run. So I wanted to really just get that out of the way personally. But, whether or not you should get into affiliate marketing, I'd say really has to do with, how comfortable you are with, for one, investing in the actual products themselves, because a lot of them, in order to earn those big commissions, you will have to actually purchase the products yourself. So you will have to, in the beginning, be able to, invest into those high ticket products yourselves and actually, use them because, again, you have to be a product of the product, and you have to be willing to, learn more about what it is that you are actually promoting before you can go ahead and, start getting results with it. So you definitely want to invest in the actual products yourself. And a lot of people, they look at it, they look at the price tag and they think, well, I mean, that is, too much money. It doesn't sound legit. Why would I invest into, this information here when I could just find that type of information on YouTube for free? And, to some extent, I can kind of understand that, but ultimately, you do get what you pay for. Oftentimes, you will get what you pay for, and if you are just looking to, you know, go into cheap programs, you have to really consider that. You have to take into consideration that oftentimes you will get what you pay for. So if you are just looking at programs that are, say like $7 or $20, that'll show you how to build a business, you will get that level of education, at that, actual price tag. So um, I highly recommend that you buy into, or you do get into affiliate marketing at least, at some point, because for one, if you're looking to, have that lifestyle of freedom, you really have to consider that, it's much easier for you to sell, one product at, say $2,000 and get a $2,000 commission than it would be to sell, $1,007 ebooks. You know what I mean? So that's the thing that you really have to keep in mind. You have to really think about what it is that you're really aiming for. You got to think about your actual goal. Are you looking to create a full-time income through affiliate marketing, or are you looking to just kind of do it on the side and just make some extra sales here and there, some extra cash on the side? Um, I assume that if you're watching this video, you are looking to become a full-time entrepreneur. You don't want to do this part-time. You want to be able to have that lifestyle of freedom and passion and be able to, work on your own terms. And I think really probably one of the best ways, one of the easiest ways, is to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, something else I want to address actually, um, a lot of people will think, well, I mean, if I'm promoting a product that is more high ticket, wouldn't it be harder for me to actually get to that actual commission amount? Would it be harder for me to sell that actual product? And, my answer to that is generally not at all, because if you are, providing a product that solves a huge need in the marketplace, and there are tons of people looking for that actual offer, Sorry, I had something on me. And you are, you're driving lots of targeted visitors to that actual offer, and you're providing lots of value. Then you should really have no problem, converting those leads into actual buyers. A lot of people, they think that it would be harder to sell a program that is more high ticket than something that is rather low ticket. And to a certain extent, that is true because a low ticket item, people usually they have the money right then and there to invest, $7 into something, versus something that's $2,000 that most people they may not have the money right away. And in order for you to really convince someone, or I shouldn't say convince, but influence someone to want to buy that product, you have to be willing to build that desire. You have to be willing to provide lots of value and show that you actually care. And this is especially the case if you are promoting a high ticket offer that is in the growing an online business. There's tons of different courses and programs out there that show you how to build a business online, but ultimately you have to be willing to actually show people that you care, because a lot of people that are just coming online, they're seeing all these offers being thrown at them. They're being bombarded with all these different offers on how to make money online, and it can be very overwhelming in the beginning. A lot of people, they develop shiny object syndrome. They're not entirely sure who to listen to. So you got to be willing to go out there, provide lots of value, do a bit you got to be willing to go above and beyond what the average person is doing. If you're just getting bombarded with all these different offers on making money online, chances are you will you're gonna be like, okay, where do I even start? And that was the position that I was in when I first got online. I didn't know exactly who it was to listen to, but ultimately I recommend getting into high ticket affiliate marketing, not just for the earning potential, but oftentimes more for the actual skill sets yourself, the actual education. Most of them, they provide education on how to actually build a business online, and actually be able to promote whatever you want. That's the other really important thing. You have to be willing to learn how to market online. As long as you could learn that skill set of being able to market online and being able to promote pretty much anything you want, then you could pretty much get into high ticket affiliate marketing and do really well. Now, I also want to say that if you get into high ticket affiliate marketing, you enroll in a mentorship program of some sort, a high ticket program. I want you to really just take into consideration that it is not guaranteed that you are going to make all that money back. It is not guaranteed that you will get results, because ultimately it does take work. You have to be willing to actually put in the work yourself, and you have to be willing to have a long-term mindset. You cannot just get in with the mindset of I'm just going to test this out and just see and hope it works. You have to be willing to have a long-term mindset and be willing to learn and adapt. And as long as you could do that, then you should have no problem with actually getting long-term results. So that's really the message that I want to put out there. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know what you thought in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn more about how to actually market online and build a profitable business through affiliate marketing, there will be a webinar, a free webinar that you could sign up for in the description, and that'll show you how to become an independent marketer. So be sure to check that out there, see if that's a fit for you, and if if you feel that's a fit, there will be an opportunity to actually enroll in a step-by-step program that will take you from zero to your first $10,000 if you decide to go that far. So be sure to check that out, see if that's a fit for you, and take care.